Hey, this is Dana Varricchio from Signature Premier Properties. Hope everyone's having a great day. So I've been asked often what I love about being a realtor. There's a few things I like about being a realtor. Number one, I love to help people, especially reach their real estate goals. There's nothing more than being at the closing table when a first-time home buyer is all done and they're ready to close. Their excitement, their pictures, their everything. I love it. Number two, no deal is ever the same, so I'm constantly learning. Every deal is different. Every deal has, it can be rough sometimes. It's not as glamorous as it looks, that's for sure. If you're a realtor, you definitely understand. And lastly, I am just grateful that I was chosen to be part of their journey. And for me, that brings me great gratitude. So if you're looking to sell and want me to be part of your journey, or looking to buy, call me 516-314-1999. Thanks. Bye.